a beautiful day. Jesus. Oh, just this place. I said just this place. Ah! Huh? I like it. It's my favorite. Set up shop here with the rats. What, motherfucker, what sides do you want?
I don't know if it matters.
I don't know. Surely not. One way or another, it will work. I'll just run this one here. What? What? Did you hear that? Yeah. Oh, we're going wrong. Look the way you stroke that pipe.
Okay, let's get the red one. We'll see how far.
Yes. You good? Okay.
No, we'll cut those off and run new ones over here.
Oh. Okay. It's attacking me. Rat shit. Bat shit. Dirty old twat. Everything is fighting me. Fuck's sakes. Use the gas to support that. There we go. So use the gas line to support that. Huh?
So who's in charge of setting up a bachelor party?
I don't know. I think that's like the best man and then the groomsmen all get together to do that. I'm not sure.
So I don't know. Ooh. Then part of me is like, well, I don't want to show up the day of the wedding. And he's like, yeah, you're my best man. I'm like, oh, wow, thanks.
Thanks for the.
Glad I planned you a bachelor party.
Jesus. I mean, what do, you know?
So is it his own fault?
Yeah, I'd say. That's a classic dude thing.
Well, what the fuck do you do?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh. There's gas coming through. Let me just shut her back down.
Really? There shouldn't be much.
Okay, well, I'm gonna open her back up.
See if it quits.
Hey, someone lights a match. We can end it all right now, baby.
Yes. Well, this is great.
Stop it. Run out of gas. Do it. Smells good. Smells like gas.
Is there a lock coming?
I don't know. It's just kind of cruising out.
How much cruising?
Decent amount.
Maybe it's not off. Okay, shut her down. It's cruising pretty good.
I will go ahead and shut her back down. Smells like gas. I know what the problem is. It got gas in it.
Hope we don't lose it get a spark.
Give me a baby, suck my soul. Happy. Put him in there like such. Cut him off. Kobe. Boom. Just like that. Just like that, brother. Little T action. Eh. Whoa. Are you getting fought, brother?
Huh?
Are you getting fought?
Oh yeah, every day.
Good. Ah! I won't go when ah! Crimp Daddy. Oh, they used to call me the Crimp Daddy back in the day. Yeah. Da-na-na. Yeah, boy. Yikes. Stairwell to heaven. Oh, yeah. Whole bunch of rat shit. This place is a rough. Bush Light? Holy cow. God damn. Woo! Oh. Is here something special? Oh God, what's underneath this? Woo. Oh fuck. Nasty shit. Okay. Oh, there's a gosh darn bat in the tub. And a pair of sunglasses? That's neat. Oh, for fuck's sakes. My face is fucking fucked up. Oh, what the fuck is going on here? Why do we have so many? Jesus. I'm shitting away. What the fuck? It's just covered in rat fucking shit. Oh, it's fucked up. Yeah. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh. Get him through the hole. Maybe. Where's he at? There he is. I'm here, thriving and surviving. You motherfucker. That's long enough. It's fucked up. Whoa. There we go. Walking down the river. Oh, yeah. Get on there. Yeah. Ah. Come here, boy. Fucking it's like I know the sound it's gonna make. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do that. Crimp it. Get on there. There we go. Let's give that one another. I don't like him. That's better. That's more like it. I can't give him that fucking. Yeah. Crimpy. Oh. Oh. Woo! Forearm strength. Be strong. I'm built different. If you did, you know, normal things to it, like gut the fucker, start over, but nah, dude. Nah. Just send it. Send it.
Where's the rat shit coming from?
Everywhere.
It's going out of the ceiling.
You know, that's something. Look at that. Jobs. Yeah. Ah. Whoa. There we go. Give him a little bit of yeah. Again. Oh. Very nice. Yeah. Give him a little bit of how you doing. Right there. I don't want him like that, I do believe. Yeah. Yeah. Little hammer. There we go. Get on there, boy. Yeah. Neat little cabinet there. Get off of there. Yep. Thank you. Out of here, like such. Okay, I want it to be like somewhere in this range. Hip. Whoop. I'd say kind of like that, and then just give him one in the corner. Like that. Give me that. Okay. Get him all level and stuff. Come on. Right there. Send him. There we go. Boom. Fuck it. Thank you. Your turn. And crap, dude. Fuck it. Okay, I'm ready. I'm crimped up. Very nice. Take him around the corner. You can get one more out of him. Yep. Perfect. He used to call me 2-ton Larry. Ah! Whoop! Why not? There here, bro. How you doing? How you been? Yeah. Very nice. One more. Very nice. Oh. Very nice. Alright. Go ahead and get fucked. Ooh. Is what it is. Fuck yeah. You got this nice water heater. Right. We kicked its ass today. It was a fucking battle, but we're winning, brother.